Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y21S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Then close iOS Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. In them, you need to scroll down and tap on Apps section. Then scroll down again, tap on Default Apps, and finally click on Home app. Lastly, apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it. So when I do that and tap on Got it, then OK if location is off. I can see that iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my Vivo device. If you wish to switch between your launchers, just go into the same settings and tap on System Home Screen or iOS Launcher 16. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!